Unit planning is a core part of teaching, but starting with a blank page is incredibly time-consuming. You spend hours brainstorming a sequence of lessons, hunting down resources, and hoping you haven't missed a crucial step. To streamline this process, the International Baccalaureate has outlined a framework for using AI tools to assist in generating comprehensive unit plans. This interface shows a completed sequence for a memoir unit. In a matter of minutes, the AI has generated a full 10 days of distinct lessons, complete with individual topics and daily resources. By handing the initial drafting phase to an AI tool, you eliminate the blank page entirely. You transition from spending hours creating a sequence from scratch to spending your time curating a structured set of options. Before you open any software, you need to establish your parameters. Consult your pacing guide, pull your provided curriculum, and identify the specific concepts your students need to review. Once you have your goals, log in to Education Copilot and select the Unit Planner option from the left side menu. First, enter the name of your unit. Be literal here. A title like Reading and Writing Memoirs will yield much better results than something creative like Time Traveling Through Writing. For the subject or course name, you want to do the exact opposite. Use a broad category like English rather than a highly specialized course name like Contemporary Voices. Providing a highly specific topic alongside a broad subject category gives the AI clear boundaries. If your inputs are too abstract or specialized, the software will struggle to align its suggestions with standard educational practices. Next, you need to tell the system exactly what this unit must cover. Describe the specific learning targets and clarify how you expect the students to demonstrate their knowledge. Following that, list or paste in the specific educational standards or skills you want your students to gain during this sequence. Do not dump your entire syllabus here. Limit this strictly to 2 to 4 key standards. Overloading the prompt causes the AI to lose focus and generate scattered lessons. When selecting the length of the unit, intentionally request more lessons than you actually need to fill your pacing guide. Click Create Unit. The software takes a few moments to compile data and build the sequence. By limiting the AI to a few core standards while asking for a surplus of days, you force the system to generate a highly focused curriculum with plenty of variations for you to choose from. The output is a high-level grid. This interface organizes the curriculum day by day, breaking down your core standards into manageable, sequential steps. To review a specific day, select the View Resources button. This surfaces suggested materials, which often include video links or reading assignments. You can then click Student Objectives to prompt the tool to write out clear, measurable goals for that daily lesson. Finally, clicking Lesson Plan generates this detailed view. Here, the software has provided a specific aim, step-by-step objectives, and a list of required materials for a single day of instruction. The software operates as a funnel. You start by inputting a broad, month-long concept, and the tool distills it into individual, actionable daily tasks. You now have a complete structured framework for your new unit, generated in a fraction of the time it would take to build manually. But this output is strictly a first draft. The AI operates as a brainstorming assistant, and it will occasionally suggest activities that don't fit your classroom. This is where you step back in. Review the generated lessons, skip the ones that aren't relevant, rearrange the timeline, and insert your own trusted resources into the plan. The AI handles the heavy lifting of initial structure and pacing, but your professional expertise is what turns those drafted ideas into a sequence that actually connects with your students.